So let's start the experiment 1, reaction of turmeric with detergent. For that you'll need detergent powder, turmeric, white sheet and glass of water. Now we'll take wet cotton and some turmeric powder and spread well on the white sheet. Now add some detergent in water. Take air bud and dip it in detergent water. When we put the bud on the paper, detergent reacts with turmeric. It changes its color to red. Experiment 2, disc in motion. For that you'll need spinning top and color disc. Experiment A, color mixing disc. What you have noticed, while the spinning top is spinning, colors which are not on the disc appears. Experiment B, color eating disc. What you have noticed here, while the disc is spinning, white appears and the color of the rainbow disappears. Now experiment C, magic disc. Experiment D, color creating disc. What you have noticed, shades of various colors appear near the black line. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.